2 years in prison for TikTok? That's exactly what happened to Neth Nahara, an Angolan TikToker who criticized the president of Angola on TikTok. For Neth, a 32-year-old singer and mother of 2 children, life in Angola was difficult. Fed up with the lack of schools, employment, and opportunity, she took to TikTok, unafraid to speak her truth. Neth bravely shared she had HIV and gave advice on how to stay healthy.
E em Angola as pessoas morrem por falta de informação. Então, elas vão ver quem é a Neth. A Neth é uma influencer, e a Neth é uma ser positivo. Agora, se já está a dizer que você se idosa bebê, isso é o que menos importa. Tá a entender?
But when she openly criticized President João Lourenço on TikTok in August 2023, she was arrested the very next day. Having been tried and convicted, her sentence was later increased from 6 months to 2 years. Neth Nahara and others like her are being detained and mistreated because they dare to speak out.